guys! Welcome to my scrappiness! Hey guys, it's Marissa. I'm a little sad because I finished this layout and this was supposed to be my second mini kit Monday layout for the month of September. But guess what? The camera wasn't on. Anyway guys, such is life. I will when I have another set of 4x4s, and maybe in the future I'll recreate this layout, but in the meantime I'm a little bumming. Anyway, I'm gonna put this on the side and we're going to work on a simple layout again, and I have already put together the items here, and this is my daughter's creme brulee and her cake at a restaurant for her birthday. And we're going to use two of the items here from our on trend 2 embellishment cards. So yeah, this is so, and then we're going to use some of the scraps that we've used from our first and second layouts, and these are the scraps that we are going to use. And here's another scrap that we're also going to use, and this is going to be the base. And yes, this is going to be our second layout for the mini kit Monday for the month of September, and I'm going to make this a very easy layout because I'm so frustrated with myself right now. Anyway, let me go ahead and cut down the strip of this paper here. Okay, this is going to be the base. I'm going to put it on the side for now, and then I'm going to cut this. Let me cut this one first. And what I'm trying to do is have a 4-inch over here, 4 inches up here, and 2 inches down here. Okay, I have to cut this down to 4 inches at the very least. And then let me show you how I'm going to make the cut. Then I'm going to leave 2 inches, so 4 inches up here, and then we want this to be 2 inches. So when we turn it, the end of this, the corner of this paper will have to hit the 2-inch mark on our trimmer, and then I'm going to skew it so that this end over here is right where it needs to be cut. So 2 inches up there, and then this is at the very edge here at the end, and we're gonna cut it. I had to check the camera if it's rolling. So I'm gonna cut this at an angle. There you go. So now we're going to cut this. Let me see how long this is, and maybe we don't even have to trim this. So this is 7 inches, and I'm going to trim this down to 1.5. I will do the same thing for this one, 7 inches. You know what, let me do the 1.5, and then I'll cut it off at 7 inches. And then 7 inches over here. I'm so bumming over that layout because I was so excited about that layout because there is some techniques I was going to show you there. But don't worry about it, guys. I'm gonna find another pictures in a different album, and we're going to recreate that that layout here shortly, hopefully. Then this one goes down to 7 inches, and then as normal, I am going to. I love my dovetails, as you guys already know. So I'm gonna dovetail this. So I put in about 3/8 of an inch up. Put this here. Like so, stagger them. So there's I'll put about an inch and a half maybe of a distance from the left side, approximately, guys, because it's not exact sciences that we're doing here. Okay, about right there, about an inch and a quarter. Overlay it by a quarter maybe. There you go. And then we're going to put our picture over here, a heart over there. Put the heart in the center, a little bit to the top right there, because my daughter loves her creme brulee. And then we're going to put this right there. I'm just gonna sandwich this picture a bit over there. There you go. And then we're gonna put the title up here. And we're going to use this for the creme brulee. So what I plan to do is just put creme brulee up here. Okay guys, here's our second Mini Kit Monday layout for the month of September. I hope you enjoyed watching me go through the thought process as I created this layout. And again, a very simple layout. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys later. Be safe out there. Bye.